Welcome back to Maicol's kitchen. Got cheesesteaks on my mind today, so we're making some Philly cheesesteak. We lived in Philadelphia for 2 years, and everywhere I went, no one seasoned their meat. I shouldn't say that because they probably did salt and pepper. I've got a nice ribeye that I've been chilling in the freezer for 30 minutes. I've seasoned it both sides with Montreal steak. I've got mushrooms diced up that I'm going to do the Italian seasoning on, and I've got the salt and pepper for my grilled onions that I'm going to make here in a few seconds. So come along as I make my rendition of a Philadelphia cheesesteak. In my preheated cast iron skillet, I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of butter along with some olive oil. I want the oil for the smoke protection. I want the butter for the flavor. And then I'm going to put in here the mushrooms on one side. And I'm going to put the onions on the other side. And the reason we do that is because some people here don't like the mushrooms. So I'm doing half and half. I'm going to go ahead and put the Italian seasonings that I mentioned earlier because I do like seasoning my mushrooms for the cheesesteak. Now that the onions have been going a little bit, I'm going to add some sea salt to the onions. And I don't put any salt on my steak. I put the salt on the onions. And of course I'm going to put some freshly ground pepper on here. And then I decided I'm probably going to mix it up, but I'm going to stir fry or saute the mushrooms a little bit more before I start flipping the onions in there. So I got the mushrooms wilted down. You can see they're barely in there. And I got the onions just absolutely perfectly sauteed. So my onions and mushrooms are done. I'm going to go ahead and drop the heat a little bit, and then I'm going to put the onions and mushroom mixture into a little bowl to reserve for later. And then in the same pan with the same residual heat and all that beautiful loving there, I'm going to toast up some bread for my sandwiches. So I've got them pre-sliced up, and I'll toast it in there for about 30-40 seconds each. So 30-40 seconds later, look at the color of the bread. The bread's toasted, take it out. So I had my ribeye, as I said earlier, in the freezer for 30 minutes after putting on the smoky Montreal steak. And the reason I got it in the freezer is because I want this as thin as I can get the slices. So I'm going to get the sharpest knife I have, and I'm going to slice this ribeye steak. And that's coming out. You see how thin that's coming out? That's perfect. Look, if you can tell, look how thin it's coming out. Now, I'll put 1 tablespoon of oil on the bottom of the pan, and then I'll put in my sliced thin ribeye steak in there to color. The trick here is to not overcrowd the pan and give space for the meat to go ahead and get some color on there. I want to get every single one colored, every single strip colored. So as you can see, I got the color on the steaks. I'm going to put in now, when I'm about to take it out, I'm going to put a splash of Worcestershire sauce in there. Give that a quick toss. And then I'll start building my cheesesteaks. So I got my steak sauteed off. I'm going to put a provolone cheese on each one and let that go for a few minutes. And don't get cheap. Go to the deli slice and get freshly sliced provolone. Put that on top and then put the bread to make your sandwich. Now I'm going to scoop this out. There's 1 done. There's 2 done. And then, last but not least, I'll come here on top with the onion mixture and the onion mixture. And bon appetit. So, finished product. I got my bread toasted, my steak being all held together by the cheese, onions, mushrooms, steak falling out. A buen tiempo. Excellent. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and come back for your next rendition of Maicol's Kitchen. By the way, this is phenomenal.